what's up, y'all? It's me, Khalilia. So today, you guys, I'm finally going to be showing you how I achieve my little design that I like to put on top of like my ponytails and braids, things like that. This hairstyle right here actually was not planned. This was a different hairstyle that I ended up not liking, so decided to go ahead and use this technique on top of it. So I basically have this part of my hair is flat. There's a braid, flat, another braid, flat, and another braid. So 3 braids, 3 flats. And in this, I'll be showing you the technique on top of the flat. I have another video on my Instagram reel that is showing you the technique on the braid, which is all pretty much the same concept. One is just over and one is under. But so yeah, this hairstyle, if you decide to do it this way, I do recommend putting it going straight up with 2 braids on the side and then flat in the middle. So just kind of shift it over a little bit. This style would be better as a middle ponytail, but my original style that I was doing was a side ponytail. So let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, you guys, so I already have 2 of them in. So it's not done on top of the braid. Like most times I do it on top of the braid. Sometimes I do it not on a braid. But what I'm basically using is some Locs hair. Some Locs with the crochet, Microloc crochet hair. It came in a bundle. You've seen me use it before. If you've seen my side long braid, it came with that. That came with 3 bundles of black, and then for some reason they added 7 gold. So I've been using the little gold pieces for like just decorative hair pieces. So what I'm going to do now, I do it differently on my reel. So if you've seen my reel on Instagram where I did it on top of the braid, it's done a little differently. This time I'm going to use 2 interlock tools, and I'll be putting both of those on the ends. So to do it this way, I'm doing it on top of just flat surface, which I've done before. I've only used 1 interlock tool, so you can still do it with 1 interlock tool if you only have 1. I'm just doing it with 2 because it made it a lot easier for the ones I do in the back. That's the first time I've done it with 2, and it did make it a lot easier just because I can't see that well, you know, so it made it easier to crisscross it. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to hairpin it in the middle so I can make it even. Now these crisscrosses are going to be just on top. They're not going underneath this. They're going to connect from these braids, just like the ones in the back. They connected from the braid, and they're going to just cross over on top. Now the rest of them would normally cross underneath if it's on top of a braid. It goes underneath it, but these are just right on top. So I'm going to take this, hairpin it right in the center to just to help it stay in place while I start it. Then you can take it right back out if need be. So let me put 1 crochet needle here, and then I'm just going to go straight. My first line is going to be straight. Now this does go in between your locks, your hair, but it's not permanent. So then I'm going to take my other one and go on this side. That's a baby lock, so I'm gonna have to go a little further down. Can't really hold into the baby lock. Okay, so now if you want, you can take this out, doesn't matter. Now normally, like I said, I will have 1 interlock tool. So basically I would just crisscross, go underneath, crisscross, go underneath, crisscross, go underneath. And I will leave an open space so that I can have space to do the second crisscross. This time I'm going to just go back and forth from this piece to that piece, so I don't have to worry about leaving a gap. The lighting really sucks right now, y'all. It's making me mad because I can't even see. I'd rather do this in the dark with a light on top. But you kind of get the gist of it, right? So I'm just taking it right through whatever I see in the spot that I need. So if it's interlock, if it's just part of the top of the braid, I just take it through. Like I said, it's not permanent. Okay, I think that's my last one. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull these off. And yep, so that's good. So there is that one. So now I'm just going to take the last pieces, kind of wrap it and tuck it. Same with these two. Where's the other piece for this one? Gonna go in, crisscross the last one, wrap it and tuck it. You can use a hairpin, but I like to kind of just tuck mine. And then I'm going to add one last strip. So I'm just going to add one last strip to wrap it around the ponytail. I'm going to take the two, put them together. And I normally would go like this. Take these inside of here, pull through. Okay, and then just wrap around. Try to cover up whatever. I don't know what's going on in the back, but I hope it looks all right. And I'm a tucker. I don't like to use a lot of hairpins, but this ponytail headband is so thick. I'm gonna have to use a hairpin because I can't get it underneath that headband under there, which okay. Look at my little pieces popping out. Okay, so that is basically it. So it's just something to kind of spark up your hairstyle. Like if it's looking a little plain, you know, add some gold crochet, okay? Add a little, you can use different stuff, but this is what I have. You can use yarn, you can use that little gold tinsel that you can put on top of braids, which I have some. I never use it, like this stuff. You can also use that. You don't have to use crochet needle. I'm not sure how anybody else does theirs, but this is what I use. I like the round one, especially because it helps to curve it and come back out as well. So, but yeah, you can use yarn. This stuff you can find at the hair store. These, like I said, I ordered with the bundles. They came in 3 and they gave me 7 of these. And it's in my Amazon faves. and you can use whatever you want. Like I said, you're not gonna keep it in there forever, so it's not gonna like lock or get caught up or knot up or anything like that. So, but yeah, this is what I did. I just needed to do something to my hair. I think I'm actually going to take this down. I'm only probably going to wear this for a day. I'm probably going to take it down and do like a little roller set. I don't know. I think I kind of want some curls. So that is it, you guys. I hope you found this helpful, and until the next time, bye.